With the holidays right around the corner, the fire department wants to make sure that you have working smoke detectors.
A lot of people are going to be cooking and, starting their fireplaces and things now. And we just want to remind you all to have all your heating appliances serviced prior to getting right into the winter season. That can minimize, the potential for you to have fires in your home, as well as cooking, which is on the rise. A lot of home fires are as a result of unattended cooking.
For years, the Baltimore City Fire Department and American Red Cross have been going door to door to give out free smoke detectors. The joint effort has resulted in the installation of 21,000 smoke detectors in the city.
Thank you, Director. Good afternoon.
Fire Chief James Wallace says every household should have them.
Statistics have shown that the presence of working smoke alarms can reduce the risk of dying in a house fire by up to 50%.
You should have them on every level of your home, including the basement where many fires start. Wallace says it's a good idea to have them inside and outside of sleeping areas.
Our local Red Cross volunteers respond to over 1,300 home fires emergencies every year for the National Capital and Greater Chesapeake.
Mayor Brandon Scott says if you need a smoke detector, the fire department can help.
Take advantage of this life-saving work. If you haven't already have one, if you're unsure if your smoke detector works, you don't even have to check it. Just pick up the phone, dial 311, and the fire department will come to you.
Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.